another video. So as you guys can see from the title, today we are going to be, you know, customizing a closure, and we're gonna be making this look super duper natural. I sell it on AliExpress. I will leave their store link below so you can check it out. Just want to let y'all know that this hair is like super duper affordable before we get into any customization. So you guys, this hair, y'all wouldn't even guess how much this hair is. Bundle deal that I got isn't even touching $150. I have in there body wave hair, and I have in a 26, 26, 24, and a 20-inch middle part closure. So you guys, yes, I am so obsessed. Like what? Like what? This is so affordable. And I did, you know, like co-wash it and then just go and blow dry it and wand it lightly before, just because I was like, I want to, you know, see the real tea. Like, why is it so inexpensive, you know? But you know, all has been well. I did want to color it black, but I just was like, you know what, let's get this video on the roll. So the closure might be sitting a little high on my head. My hair is braided, but I think I just gotta lay it right. So a lot of people are new to wigs, and I sometimes forget that not everyone knows everything that I am talking about in my, you know, post. I started off with closures. Closures are just easier. You don't have to like apply them or know how to do any of that. You can literally just put it on. So what I'm going to show you guys is how to make yours look super natural. I do have a video on how I make my closures look like frontals, but this one's going to be more in depth and we're going to do it together. So hopefully you have, you know, some bundles and a closure. If not, just order this and then follow this video, and I guarantee your closure will be popping, honey, okay? And if somebody asks, let them know that I helped you guys out and recommend them to my channel, duh. And what you're going to need really is tweezers, obviously. So what a lot of people get confused with getting closures together is you have to pluck them. Yes, you do. So they're not frontals, but you still gotta pluck them. So don't mind. The only steps that I've taken right now is I put that Sally Hansen stuff onto my closure. It did get in the, it did go through a little bit to the hair, but that's fine. If you guys didn't see my bleach knots hack, please go check that video out because it's very informative, and you guys will see the truth about, you know, whether it works or not. Even if you don't have that, you can just use some makeup. I prefer face powder just so it doesn't bleed through. Liquid will probably bleed through, so yeah, just use powder. So what we're gonna do is, I usually do this on a mannequin head, this is different, but basically what you do, you just part a little bit of your closure, like a tiny bit, not a lot. Okay, I can't part that way. So we go, my thread is kind of in the way, but guys, so what people get confused a lot about, you know, plucking closures is even frontals, because I learned the hard way. I was just started off like just plucking in all kind of crazy ways. That is not the right way. So what I like to do is take my tweezers and just pluck like in a downward motion, literally like up and down, like not up and down, but you know, the long way, just lightly. And always pay attention and make sure you aren't over plucking, because once the hair is gone, sis, it's gone. So just, you know, what I like to do is take the hair out and then look, and if I'm not pleased, I just go right back in and pluck some more. Just pluck until you're satisfied, basically. And I'm probably gonna speed some of this up. Okay, so I think I've plucked enough. That's just my opinion. So now that I've plucked behind the hairline, I'm going to pluck the front of the hairline. And you know, wet hairlines are much easier to pluck. So I don't have a spray bottle, but I'm gonna take some of this ORS mousse and just put it on there like that. And then go to work. Do the same motion that you did, you know, when doing it, and you'll be good. As you guys can see, it's starting to get that very, oh my god, that like super natural effect of like, you know, a real hairline. And it's because of these strokes that I am doing. Like, not each like you know, not the whole thing, but I'm going like in and out so it looks light, and you know, look at that. So now that it looks more realistic, I am just gonna go in a little bit more, then I'm gonna do this side, and then I'll be back to do baby hairs. Okay guys, don't mind the background noise. I'm at my boyfriend's house and he's watching a movie, so try to just block that out. Hopefully you can't hear it. I'll try to just like add music, hopefully, I don't know. So anyways, we are done plucking. I don't recommend plucking much more than you did if you followed my steps. I did the same thing on the other side. So now it's to baby hairs, and a lot of people think you can't do baby hairs. Oh, see? That isn't shedding, guys. That's from, you know, me plucking. I didn't get it all out. Oops. So, yeah, a lot of people think you can't add baby hairs, but you can. So, it consists of, first of all, let's just cut this, the rest of this off. I kept it on because I needed to pull onto something while plucking. But now that plucking is done, let's just cut it off. And be careful to not cut into your hairline, because I did that so many times, like, and it's annoying. So we got the lace. So when doing my baby hair, I like to not overdo it. But with closures, you kind of gotta overdo it, not too much, but basically just section some hair like this off. Just like this. Sorry y'all, I did not pull all the hair off from when I plucked it. So yeah, that's why I'm getting some little shedding. Honestly, baby hair, you can just do it desired to how you want. The most natural way is mousse. I will say this a million times. It doesn't matter what edge control you use or anything, unless it's like really good. I recommend using mousse, because mousse, like the way it lays the baby hairs, looks so much natural. You know, it looks so much better than any edge control that I've ever used. So we just gonna take this and we're gonna cut. Boom. And once you do baby hair so many times, you'll realize, you know, you'll get the gist of, you know, where to cut. So don't panic. Literally just put the mousse on there. I recommend getting one of these, you guys, from your local beauty supply. They even have them at Walgreens, a friend told me. So go ahead, but your local beauty supply is 2 for $1, so go there. But yeah, so just take this and swoop. Got some baby hairs. For the sake of the video, because I still want to talk a little bit about this hair, I'm going to finish off camera. Don't mind that I just have to cut that, but I'm going to finish the baby hairs off camera and then I'll be back. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I finished my baby hairs. So if you guys want a more in-depth baby hair tutorial, I will do that. Just let me know in the comments. But baby hair, you just do it to your liking. There's no way to like rightly do baby hairs. I just ended up doing some right here and then one right there, because I didn't want it to look too, you know, too much. But I do have all black on, and I know you guys are probably seeing this from another video. Yes, I'm obsessed with this, y'all. I've been wearing this since I was in New Orleans, and I've been obsessed since. So I'm gonna go get some more colors. But look at this beautiful, beautiful hair, you guys. This hair is gorgeous. And the pricing is unbelievable, honestly. I've never came into contact with any bundle deal like this for the price that it is. So once again, this is from Trendy, but it actually is laying pretty flat. But this hair has been bomb, like very soft, very lightweight. Hasn't given me any crazy problems. I'm actually like obsessed with it. Like shedding is, you know, normal. A few strands, nothing crazy. If I do keep this hair, like I said in all of my videos, if I do keep it, I will try to update you in the comments, unless I say otherwise and it's a full video. Shipping was super fast. It was about 3 days, so I was very, you know, happy about that, because, you know, they use FedEx, and FedEx kind of gets it to you. DHL is the only, you know, problem that I had. I think I said that in another video, but yes, it got to me really fast. The seller was very sweet, very patient. And yeah, like, this hair is bomb. and I cannot believe it's the price that it is. Like, I didn't realize how much it was until I actually got the hair and looked at the link and stuff. I'm like, what? But yes, so if you guys haven't seen my knots, bleaching knots hack video, please go ahead and check that out because it will help you out a lot. So I suggest to start off with that Sally Hansen leg spray or your face powder, because it will look flawless. Your part will look flawless, as you guys can see. So just gonna show you guys what it's looking like. It is coming off a little bit lighter. The wig cap I have on is not, I didn't cover it with makeup. Also, covering your wig cap with makeup will make it look super duper natural, so make sure you do that, because if you don't and you got these super tan ones, it will show like mine, which doesn't look too bad, but I feel like if it was my skin tone, it would look super natural. So make sure you do that. But yes, you guys, what are you guys thinking? Let me know if I helped you out, and if I did, give this video a thumbs up, please. Also, go ahead and check out Trendy Beauty on AliExpress. I will leave my bundle deal and a couple different other bundle deals in their store in the description for you guys. You guys can go ahead and check that out. Super affordable. I do think you guys should pick this up for the summer. It's very airy and lightweight. It isn't heavy, and I'm obsessed with that. And then it's long. Like, sis, you can get inches for less than $150. So what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Thank you guys for watching another video. Thank you to Trendy Beauty Hair for sending this hair to me and letting me review it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.